Staff of local authorities to be made available. Section 29 of the RPA Act 1950. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of Election Commission of India. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guideline, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the power conferred to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. They will also be able to explain the Section 29 of the RPA Act 1950. Article 324 of the Constitution is about superintendence, direction and control of election to be vested in Election Commission of India. Its clause 1 is about preparation of electoral roll and conduct of election. Clause 6 says President and Governor to provide staff for functions conferred on the Election Commission. Article 327 says power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections for either House of Parliament or either House of State Legislatures. In exercise of power given by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted the RPA Act 1950. Section 29 comes under the Part 5, that is General. Section 29 is about staff of local authorities to be made available. When the Chief Electoral Officer of a state requests, every local authority must provide a staff to the Electoral Registration Officer. Staff is needed to perform duties in connection with the preparation and revision of electoral rules. Because of Article 324 and Article 327, RPA Act 1950 was enacted and then Section 29 was framed. Conclusion and extra points. Local authorities such as municipal corporation or panchayats etc. are required to cooperate with the CO to support electoral rule tasks. Section 29 ensures coordination between election authorities and the local bodies for smooth electoral process. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this. In this educational video, we have learned about the Section 29 of RPA Act 1950. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos, rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.